Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the application of derivative. So here is about the question. Prove this equation in here has only one real root. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to find the function f of s. So we have this one minus 81 because we move 81 to the left, that's why you got about negative 81. Next, we need to find first the derivative of the function f of s. That should be about 42s squared plus 34s, and we have 18. Next, we put first the derivative of the function equal to 0. So we have this one equals to 0. Later that we find delta. That should be about 34 squared minus 4 multiplied with 42 multiplied with 18. This is about coefficient of this equation in here, and we got about negative 1868 is smaller than 0, so there is no solution. And when we look carefully about coefficient of s squared in here, and we know that a equal to 42 is greater than 0, so it means first the derivative of the function is in positive, so the function has increased from negative infinity to positive infinity. And we know that f of 0, we put number 0 in this way, and you got about negative 81. But if we put number 3, you will get about 504. So it means that the function has increased from negative infinity to positive infinity, and we also find that at s equal to 0, you got about negative 81, and at s equal to number 3, you got about 504. So if we draw on the graph, it should be like this. So as s equal to 0, we just choose this one in here. As s equal to number 3, we choose the boy in here. So we know that the function has increased, so let's just go up. Because the function has increased, so they never going down. That's why we have one real root between from 0 to number 3. And just only one root because the function has increased go up to infinity. That's the end. Thank you for watching.